been pretty good so far. I mean, if you have any questions, like I call Melanie and she answers everything right away. She walks me through stuff if I need it, because at the very beginning I didn't know all that stuff, so she walked me through it. But it works really good, and so far with Optimize, it's been pretty good with people being able, with them managing our web page, people being able to go and request services on the web page, and then I get emailed right away saying, hey, this person is inquiring about services. It works out great. I love it. I say if you're looking at using Optimize, it's a no-brainer. Go for it, because it definitely will take all your social media and take a lot of that. You having to look at it daily and look at it every minute, all that off your plate. They respond to people's reviews. They put the pictures up there, and they go through the pictures, and they put different ones up there. And I mean, they manage your website great. I mean, I couldn't do it myself, but it is awesome the way they manage it, and it's always a different look at it every day when you go to look. And we've been getting a lot of reviews and a lot of likes and followers and everything ever since we opened. It's been great. So, oh yes, it's great. Yeah.